Welcome to Top 10 Daily. And today you won't believe these top 10 deadliest animals on Earth. It's no secret that humans can be pretty dangerous, but we're not the only things roaming this planet with the ability to cause harm to others, both animals and other human beings alike. The deadliest animals in the world are anything but friendly, so be careful where you step and try to avoid these creatures when you're out in nature. Here are our top 10 list of deadliest animals in the world. Number 1. Black mamba. The black mamba is a deadly snake that lives in the forests of eastern and southern Africa. The black mamba has a reputation for being one of the deadliest snakes in the world, but it's not just because they have venom that can kill humans in minutes. Black mambas can move at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, and they strike with such speed that their prey won't even see them coming before it's too late. They're also very aggressive creatures, so if you do happen to cross paths with one, you should stay as far away as possible while staying alert and ready to run. Black mambas are not only found in Africa, they are also found in other parts of the world. Number 2. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile in the world, and their size can be intimidating. They are found in many places throughout Southeast Asia, Australia, New Guinea and northern Melanesia. The average adult male is about 20 feet long, but sometimes they can grow to a length of more than 23 feet. Adult females are smaller and typically measure 15 to 18 feet. Keep that in mind next time you take a dip. Number 3. The box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are members of the cubezoa class, a type of animal also known as a sea wasp. Box jellyfish have tentacles that contain venomous toxins. Contact with these tentacles can cause a fatal reaction. The most serious symptoms are respiratory distress and hypertension, which can lead to death in minutes if untreated. The smaller the victim is, the greater the chance they will die from contact with these animals. You're probably wondering why box jellyfish weren't number 1 on this list. Stick around to find out. Number 4. The Asian giant hornet. The Asian giant hornet is a large wasp that lives throughout much of East Asia and parts of Russia. They are known for being some of the most aggressive animals in the world, but also for being skilled at making honey. The size of these hornets can range from 2-2.5 centimeters with a wingspan of 3 inches, which is smaller than their cousin the European hornet. The venom they produce to stun their prey can be up to 6 times more powerful than other stinging insects, so if you're ever in Japan and see one, don't get too close. Number 5. Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is a member of the cattle family, and is considered to be one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. The Cape buffalo has a very unpredictable nature, attacking humans and other animals without provocation. They weigh in at about 1,200 pounds and can reach speeds up to 31 miles per hour. They are known for their notoriously bad tempers and unpredictable charges. In addition to being deadly with their horns, they also kick with their hooves, which can cause injury or death. They have been documented killing lions, leopards, and even crocodiles by beating them over the head with their horns. Number 6. The pufferfish. The pufferfish is not a fish at all, but rather it's a type of marine animal related to the porcupine. It lives in the ocean near the coast of Japan and China, and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. The pufferfish is also one of the most deadly animals in the world, as humans can accidentally eat them raw without knowing they're poisonous. That's because when these puffers are threatened or agitated, they produce a toxin that paralyzes their prey by inflating their stomachs and intestines until it bursts. One of the ways to tell if your fish might be poisonous is if it has black dots on its skin. It should be noted that this particular animal is not typically found outside of its native habitat. Number 7. The lion's mane jellyfish. A lion's mane jellyfish is one of the most recognizable types of jellyfish. They are named so because they have long, flowing tentacles which resemble a lion's mane. Lion's mane jellyfish live in the North Atlantic and Mediterranean Sea, as well as parts of the Pacific Ocean. In fact, these creatures thrive in cooler waters with higher salt concentrations. The jellyfish has a diameter of about 6 feet and can grow to be up to 25 feet long, making it one of the largest animals in the world. They come in different colors, but typically have a violet or pinkish coloration. Number 8. The deathstalker scorpion. The deathstalker scorpion is one of the most dangerous and deadly scorpion species in the world. They are found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. The difference between this species and other scorpions is that the deathstalker scorpion has a long tail with a venom that can be injected into its victim. This venom contains neurotoxins which can cause paralysis or death from respiratory failure within 2 hours. If stung, it is important to seek immediate medical attention as soon as possible because of the fast-acting symptoms. Number 9 is the great white shark. The great white shark is the quintessential predatory fish, with a mouth full of teeth designed for ripping through flesh and a body built for speed. Despite its terrifying look and deadly reputation, the great white shark isn't actually that great at catching prey, but it's really good at scaring them. The real reason for their name is that they're white underneath when they're young, and turn dark as they grow to adulthood. This also makes them stand out against the ocean floor as they move through it. And number 10 is the mosquito, believe it or not, being responsible for over 750,000 deaths a year. Mosquitoes are among the deadliest animals in the world. There are more than 3,500 species of mosquitoes, and they live in every part of the world except for Antarctica. The name mosquito is derived from a Spanish word meaning little fly. Mosquitoes drink blood, which provides them with the protein that they need to grow their eggs. They do not typically transmit diseases, but if infected with malaria or dengue fever, they can spread these deadly diseases to humans. Make sure you use a little repellent next time you go out. Also make sure you subscribe and like this video for more content.